There is an expectation with campers. We may think of the American classic being pulled by our father's truck out into a clearing in the open wilderness. However, innovation comes with the turning of time, and the campers of yore are being modernized. Let's see if they make Dad proud. Here are the 10 most innovative camper creations of 2021.
10.
First up, we have the SNPX from Off-Road RVs, which combines the reliability of an off-road machine on wheels with the adventure of a modern camper. The SNPX takes the traditional camper and turns it up a notch. The chassis is made from galvanized steel and sits on a tandem axle. That should keep your stay in the outfitted interior, which includes a kitchen, bed, shower with gas-powered hot water, and dining area. All the more comforting. And if that isn't enough for you, then the external kitchen, sink, fridge, and pantry should be. You won't have a single worry inside the SNPX.
Nine.
The Dark Mono comes barreling in with its 100% recycled carbon fiber construction. It's obvious why it's labeled the ultimate expedition vehicle by some, when it combines overland travel needs with the convenience of everyday use. Its 36-inch all-terrain tires, in addition to its permanent all-wheel drive, make this camper an off-road menace. Oh, and we can't forget about the fully adaptive suspension system, which adds that extra security. The thing that truly sets the Dark Mono apart is the 270-degree panoramic view. With plenty of headroom and a lowering queen-sized bed, this camper offers a very pleasing view for any vista you happen to stop by for a night or two.
Eight.
Coming from Nissan, the e-NV200 winter camper maybe doesn't have the most eye candy on the list. Still, it is a robust and reliable camper designed for winter expeditions. As a camper van hybrid, the e-NV200 allows for a flexible experience on the open road, with its integrated functioning kitchen, refrigerator, and folding beds. That, coupled with its premium tires and 5400 lumens dual spotlight, makes for a comfortable trip even in small blizzards. The whole design was based on the e-NV200 Evalia, a smart van that offered versatile seating, autonomy, and a fast-charging electric battery. All that and a suite of other accessories made it a very appealing van for the modern family.
I'm Allie, and it's Mind's Eye Trivia time. By looking at just these images, do you know what this is and where it's from? Leave the correct answer or your best guess in the comment section below.
7.
Based on the Vantourer 600D floor plan from the same company, the Rocket Ocean is being manufactured by Rocket Camper in Germany. It offers a bright and homey interior design that should make any trip enjoyable. To exemplify this, Rocket Camper offers two design packages, the Ocean Interior and the Ocean Exterior. Now you can cruise in the way you want. Speaking of the Ocean Interior, let's take a look at what this space shuttle on 4 wheels has to offer. The rear bed sits below a handful of wall cabinets, and next to it is the kitchenette. Between the both of them is the 95-liter fridge and a 2-burner stove to boot.
6.
Say bonjour to the Liberty 440 PC Plan camping car from La Mancelle in France. This camping vehicle is immediately remarkable for its half-sphere lounge, encouraging a pleasant and cheerful experience while out away from home. Because of this spherical shape, the exterior also benefits from optimized aerodynamics. Combined with the 3005 stabilizers and Alco shock absorbers, the Liberty 440 is a smooth ride with smooth grooves. The interior has more to offer than simple geometry as well, including a functional bathroom with an independent shower, a kitchen equipped with both a fridge and freezer, and a sleeping area that can comfortably fit 4. If you're the type of camper that would rather take out a mobile camper with an entirely wooden shell over the trendy plastics, then say thank you to Holzmobil for their Woodmobile, designed and manufactured in Germany. Notable for the filigree wooden structures comprising both the exterior and interior, the Woodmobile is the shining star that the die-hard woodland lovers will appreciate. Alder, beech, and spruce are all present in the making of this beauty. You may think that packing 2 beds, a bathroom with a toilet and shower, and a kitchen with an induction cooker and a compressor refrigerator into this camper would not only be unimaginable, but also unwise. And yet, Holzmobil not only accomplishes this, but does so in a way that creates an elegant and open feeling.
Four.
The Moto from Wood Vans is lumbering in from the Czech Republic. Let's see why the competition has an axe to grind. What's so great about the Moto then? Well, the first thing that strikes you is the design. It's built into a Citroën Jumper L4H3 van and brings both travel and home on wheels. It's able to accommodate up to 4 people on the open road, and it has a garage to store small vehicles. It's the perfect fit for a traveling quartet.
Three.
Chinook RV from Indiana really slam-dunked the camper scene with the Trail Wagon, offering more industry-first technology than any other camper in its class. All that, and it comes in 2 different versions. The AFE is designed to mimic an automotive front end, while the TFE is designed to mimic a trailer's front end. Seems simple enough. The Trail Wagon is stocked with innovative technology, some of which are the industry's first sightings in this class of camper. Things like a remote-controlled electric rear ramp door, or the industry's first electric drop-down queen bed. They make for useful and convenient equipment when ambling across anything alluding to an adventure.
2,
Suppose you find yourself to be a person of everyday adventure, and you just need a vehicle to keep up with you. In that case, this friendly neighborhood van by Flow Camper in Germany is for you. The Casper allows for a versatile ride with 4 individually movable and removable seats. Comfort is not missing on this scarily good camper. Its sizable 8-gallon compressor cooler, pressurized water system including an outdoor shower, 2-burner stove, and adjustable bed ensure that your needs are met. Of course, comfort isn't complete without a trustworthy transportation source, and the Casper comes with a handy optional all-wheel drive, AT tires, lithium battery, and solar system. With reliability on board, there's no need for concern.
one,
We had to have our swan song be one deserving of the first place spot. The Life Home V90 Villa Edition from Syke Maxus is that camper. More of a personal luxury yacht made with 4 wheels and an electronic tower system than a camper, the Life Home V90 Villa Edition is a much different RV style than other Asian models. It's much larger than other models, and this is thanks to a pair of slide-outs that widen the first floor and a pop-up, full-height glass-encased second story served by its own elevator. The first floor is mostly occupied by a spacious lounge and fully kitted kitchen with a bar counter to invoke a condo feel. There is a large transparent television nestled atop an entertainment center on one side of the wall in the living room. The wall behind the kitchen is where you will find the bathroom and the single-person elevator. The second floor houses the villa, where you can fully appreciate any view and maybe enjoy a glass of wine while you're at it. Why not? If you enjoyed this video, you could help us out by hitting the like button, subscribe, and keep up to date on future posts.